Namaste. I am Nandani Murthi from Mysore, Karnataka. Though I am a nutritionist and wellness consultant, there is a lot of scope to learn from him. In these days, as per the current situation, we all faced a volatile period we underwent, like COVID situation, and whatever he has done the micro observation, and whatever the knowledge, whatever I have taken, the takeaway is outrageous. So thanks to Vishal for giving me an opportunity to be your disciple or a student. I'm an alchemist and I'm a seeker of knowledge. Thank you so much. God bless you.